Jemi me kryetrajnerin e skuadrës së Peos këtu. Coach, you controlled the game most of the time, even though you let Raovici come back at the third quarter and they even got the lead, but still you recovered fast. How satisfied you are with the performance you had tonight?
Well, obviously it's nice to win. We did enough to win, but I know against the upcoming opponents that we can't have these lapses. And that's something we definitely will talk about. For whatever reason, we didn't have the energy in the third quarter. Turnovers, we've been pretty good throughout the season with turnovers, but just giving our opponent today, Raovici, just possessions without even have time to set up defense. So that's one thing that we definitely will look to get better with.
Yeah, Coach, and mostly things went well, especially defensively. We discussed. You stopped Yumi Pig, and I guess that was one of the things you told to your players.
Well, it is. He's a great player. I mean, you give him just a little bit of room. He's so good from behind the three-point line. We contested for the most part all night, and that was a big part of our game plan was to, get the ball out of his hands. The leading scorer in the league, you don't want him with the ball. So we did do a decent job with that.
Thank you, Coach. Good luck in next games.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Atëherë ishim me kryetrajnerin e skuadrës së Peos, tha që e kontrolluan mirë ndeshjen, por ajo rënje dhe në çerekun e tretë nuk duhet të na ndodhë me skuadra tjera, pasi që ajo mund të na kushtoj. Kemi pasur goxha topa të humbur, kryesisht gjatë kësaj sezoni e kemi kontrolluar topat e humbur, megjithatë sot patëm shumë topa të humbur, një gjë e cila nuk i pëlqeu ishte kjo. Gjithashtu e pyeta sa ishte i kënaqur me pjesën tjetër, kryesisht me mbrojtjen, thashë e ka ndalur lojtarin apo koshashënuesin më të mirë të Raovicit në vetëm 6 pikë, tha ajo ka qenë njëra nga planet e kësaj ndeshje, kështu që arritëm ta ndalim një lojtar fantastik i cili realisht i duhet shumë pak hapësirë që të realizojnë. Atëherë kjo ishte intervista e trajnerit të skuadrës së Peos, Greg Gibson, ndërsa për pak çaste do të jemi me Bujar Locën.